Hello guys, once again welcome back to my new video. Today guys, our lesson is about how to calculate safety distance in meters. Guys, in bad conditions, the distance between you and the car in front of you, okay, must be more than 3 seconds. All right, so I'm going to give you example about this. You have two cars here and between them 100 meters. All right, so example, I'll give you a speed and minimum distance speed. Okay, for example, if you are driving 120 kilometers an hour, right, the minimum distance speed, it will be 100 meters distance from the car in front of you, like that. All right, and let's talk about 85 meters. Okay, over here, okay, 85 meters, this is minimum distance speed. Okay, so example, if you are driving, let's see, if you're driving 100, if you are driving 100 kilometers an hour, so the minimum distance speed, it will be from the car in front of you, it will be 85 meters. Right, so let's talk about 60 meters. Talk about 60 meters. Okay, let's talk about 60 meters. If you are driving 70 kilometers an hour, okay, so the minimum distance speed, it will be between the car in front of you, it will be 60 meters. Okay, so let's talk about 45 meters. Right here, 45 meters. So if you are driving 50 kilometers an hour, the minimum distance speed, it will be from the car in front of you, 45 meters. All right, guys, so the 3 seconds rules is same under the rule driving condition, but can be different on the following the condition. I will give you example about that. All right, example number 1, if the climate and weather is condition is are different. Number 2, also if the road surface is bad, not good. Number 3, of course, if you are driving at night. Number 4, of course, if you feel like you feel sick and tired. Number 5, if you are upset or tired or nervous, shouting inside the car, and also if traffic situation is not normal. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you inshallah another lesson. Thank you.